Hi guys, what's your name?
My name is Anandur Ghosh.
My name is Abhijit Ghosh.
Right. So how long have you been here in CLATapult?
I've been here for about 2 months.
Right.
I've been here for about a year.
And how would you describe your respective experience here?
I would rather say it's a completely new atmosphere for me and rather has been a quite comfortable one. The teachers are very approachable and they go through my doubts, help appreciate the cooperative nature of the students. So yeah, it's been good.
So I've been here like for over a year, almost over a year. So according to my observations, I think like the faculty is very good. Okay, they are knowledgeable and they're very approachable. But the fact that the mock, the results and all the administration, it's a bit like clumsy, I would say. And like mock results, they are published very late. That's the only thing. And the discrepancies in the answer key is very much. But I like the faculty. If you approach to them, they would be like, yeah, I'm open to all the criticism and all the doubts you can like put forward for. So yeah, I like them.
Till now improved in maths very much, but yeah, since I struggle with that subject, the teachers are, as I said, very approachable. They help me with my doubts, help me cope up with the pace if I'm lagging behind. Yeah.
I would say my weakest subject would be logic, but with the help of Akshat sir, like my logic has improved a lot. Like I used to score in like mid 15s to 10s, and now I went up to like 20s and all that, 18 to 20. So that has been a massive improvement for me at least. I don't know about how it compared with others, but like for me it's a really big achievement. Yeah, and I think rest of my subjects were okay only. So yeah.
Right. Thank you so much guys.
Thank you.